Welcome to the Info CUBOT Note 9, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sound section. Then you'll see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute notifications you should hold and swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. But by this way we'll mute not only ring or notifications, we'll mute also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with ringtones and you want to mute only notifications, just unmute this volume panel. Then scroll to advanced settings and click default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound just to none. Then just tap to OK to save the changes, and that's it. By this way we'll mute our device notifications, but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.